Hello, everybody. You can call me Hunch. And today I'm super excited. Why am I super excited, you ask? Two things, right? The first thing, I've got a really big mug and it's filled with iced coffee, okay? I'm only drinking hot coffee with a really big mug. I've never drank iced coffee with a really big mug. So if you haven't done it, it's a new experience like the metaverse. So get out there, children. Go and do it. All right. So the second reason I'm super excited, because the fundamentals for me in my head, maybe just in my head, but maybe in the real world too, keep improving for Sandbox. So I just bought a little more Sandbox because the chart is matching exactly what I thought it would do, right? If you recall, I said it would fall to the mid sixes and would find support. But let's dive into the fundamentals and why I'm so excited, right? So here's the Sandbox, right? And you need to just go look at the product and see what they have. Watch videos, watch gameplay. Go to the map, go to OpenSea, see what the land is selling for, right? Get a price evaluation for things in the metaverse, the items, everything. But the first thing I took notice was influencers, right? Bitcoin. You have community-driven projects that are interested in this, right? You've got Bored Apes all over this. You've got a CryptoPunk, right? Are those real CryptoPunks and Bored Apes? I'm not sure. It's just a data point, right? But the most important thing I want you to notice, right, is the big brands are taking notice, right? And they're investing money in this game, right? Not all the little games that everyone is pumping. This could become a legitimate long-term investment thesis. And here's why. Look, you've got Adidas, right? That's just one. Okay, one. You've got Atari, right? The new metaverse meshing, making sweet Sandbox love with the old metaverse, right? You've got Smurfs, so brands, not even games, like just a brand, like a major brand for every generation. Everyone knows who the Smurfs are, right? You've got crypto, Monero, right? Then you've got crypto companies, Binance, another Atari. I mean, there's Atari all over this. But the most important find as I went through this is why you need to look, because it gives you an advantage. Don't be lazy. That's what makes good investors a good investor from a bad investor. And I'm not talking about a trader. I'm just talking about an investor, right? Tesla and Elon Musk is the biggest meme pog champ thing on the internet, right? And I'm not saying this is groundbreaking, right? But even if that's real Tesla, right? FTX exchange is here too, by the way. Big company. If that's the real Tesla, this is solidifying Sandbox as a real project, right? And my fear of losing money is going down dramatically, right? My beta, my risk, right? It's going down dramatically. So when I see the price and stuff, I going crazy, I go, I'm not worried, baby. I'm gonna slide into her DMs and buy a little mo, you know what I'm saying? Buy a little Sandbox. Let's look at the chart. Oh, no, I would not like to take it to the next level, maybe in the future. Right? So here's the Sandbox, and I said it was going to fall to support here. Go watch the videos, please. I'm not making this up. Everyone thinks I'm like anyone could just make anything up. I'm not making it up. I literally said it was going to fall to the mid sixes for support, and here it is. And why did I say that? Because it hit resistance, it's wedged, it popped, it fell back down, it was looking bearish, and it looked like there was support around the sixes, right? But here again, I'll go again just for you guys who weren't watching, or gals. Support, right? That is telling you something, right? That it's telling you that someone thinks it's fair. Many people, a collective, think that it could be fairly valued around here. They're thinking it's not. They're not sure, but also that. There is a lot of demand right here, right? There's demand for this price. And people are not just walking away from it, right? Even people who made a killing are probably FOMOing back in around this area, if I had to guess, right? People who sold off at the top like me. I did that. I sold off near the top. I waited for it to come back to my support line, and I bought more. That's what I did. And why did I do that? Because the fundamentals are matching the chart. So I'm just going to follow it. Like, I'm just not going to worry. Don't panic. Don't just FOMO in. Look at the chart. Look at the fundamentals. If the fundamentals don't match the chart, don't invest in it, right? Decide what type of investor you are. Are you short-term or are you long-term? I'm a long-term usually. It's treated me very well. But I'm not going to judge those who are short-term investors, right? This may be a short-term investment area to get in, wait for it to go up, and then look for the next area of support. Anyway, this is my Saturday update. I hope everyone has a good day. I hope everyone gets a big mug of coffee. You know what I'm saying? Because it give you big brain. It give you that big brain. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, you can call me Hunch. I really appreciate you guys. And then subs. Let's get to 200. Hit the like and subscribe. Thanks very much. Call me Hunch, not a financial advisor.